Why do you need a digital business framework? This is an important question. To play devil's advocate, it seems to be easy to decide that you want to sell something online. Throw up a website, open a Shopify store, get an Amazon listing, and sell. There are millions of buyers out there, so it should be easy, right? Wrong. Let's imagine if you had never seen a house before, and I took you to see my house and showed you just the outside. You would probably assume that the interior is one big open space. Taking an overly simplistic approach to digital business is exactly the same. You think it's simple and therefore it seems to be easy. So then we open the front door. Firstly, you discover the house has 2 floors and an attic. It may even have a cellar. Well, that's 4 levels of complexity you had not imagined. Then I show you that each floor has several rooms and each room has a purpose and a specialization, without which the house would not be fit to inhabit. It has a kitchen to prepare food, a dining room to eat in, a sitting room to relax and watch TV, a lavatory, well, you know what that's for, a bathroom, that's self-explanatory too, bedrooms to sleep in. So that's the next level of complexity you need to get to grips with. Then you discover that each room has furniture, utensils, decorations, technology, all of which contribute to and facilitate the specialization of the room. Imagine having a bathroom without a bath or a shower, a kitchen without a sink, a bedroom without a bed. Well, it's the same for digital business. There are multiple layers of complexity. The key thing is that unless you know what these are and how they fit together, you will never be successful. But you don't need to be expert in everything. I operate the TV, my wife does the cooking. You also don't need every tool, resource and component from every key room in your digital business house. You need to selectively decorate to make sure that each room can function as you need it to. This is exactly why I have spent months and months studying digital business to create my digital business blueprint so that you can understand the framework of digital business. Once you have this framework in your mind, you can literally design any digital business you want and know that you have all the components you need to make it a success. Imagine trying to build a car and not knowing that you need to put an engine under the bonnet. I'm going to take you through the framework in some detail, but to start with, let me explain the key components at the first level of complexity. Now, as I am the 6 Minute Strategist, you're about to discover that there are 6 key components to the framework. Number 1, business strategy. This simply comprises your business model, your customer, and your strategy for connecting the two. The second component is customer experience. Here, you need to ensure that you have included product creation, brand creation, and content creation. This is all about designing and customizing these experiences for your customer. The third component is customer channels. You need to make sure that you have thought about marketing strategy, channel strategy, content marketing, and traffic strategy and optimization. You are focusing on how you are going to connect with your customer and drive them towards your content, your products, and services. Number 4 is customer engagement. This component helps you to focus on the relationship you need to build with your customer if you are to convert them from a prospect to a purchaser. Here you need to make sure that you cover lead generation, funnel creation and optimization, email campaigns, and social and community engagement. Number 5 is digital skills. These are the skills which, while in some cases not unique to the internet, become critical to success. We are talking about copywriting, search engine optimization, and data analytics. Your primary messages will be communicated in writing or speech, so you need to know how to write copy. The search engines control access on the internet, so search engine optimization, SEO, is vital. Data analytics is the art of measurement and tracking, so that you know what is working and what is not. Finally, we come to tools and resources. The final component is the basket of tools and resources you choose to adopt to make your business easier to run, automate, and scale. There are literally thousands of these, but I will give you some guidance on what I like and what I am using. This is the key takeaway. Your digital business must include something from every one of these 6 components and their constituent elements. You need to build your house on solid foundations and with a good architect's plan. This is it. Remember, though, below each of these components and subcomponents lies more detail and complexity. As you become aware of these multiple levels, your expertise will develop and grow. Your development must be balanced so that your expertise is evenly spread across all 6 components, while how deep you go and which subcomponents you focus more on will depend on your business. Step by step, take yourself through these components and create your initial outline of how you are going to design your business. Do not skip a single step. You must include every one of these into your business design. After all, what happens in your house if you forget to put the stairs in?